fake Michelle here. Okay, I'm kidding. I'm gonna drop the voice, but I am an imposter and I'm taking over Shantirement today. I am the daughter of Shantirement, and today I am going to be preparing a meal for you guys. Sheet pan chicken shawarma. Shawarma. I think I said that right. I found this recipe online and the ingredients that you need are coming up next.
Okay, so we have some chicken breast, we have lemon juice, black pepper, ground cumin, ground turmeric, ground cardamom, ground allspice, and ground cinnamon with some Greek yogurt, pita bread, and it said a whole onion but chopped into halves like little moons, so that's what I attempted to do. And it also said lettuce, but I am a big spinach fan, so instead of lettuce I'm going to use spinach. And also some olive oil and some garlic. Some garlic. Oh, and salt and pepper. Okay, so the recipe says to set the oven to 450, so that is what I'm doing. Then I'm just going to turn it on and let it preheat. So while it's preheating, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin in a small bowl. Then we're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric, and it said to add a generous amount of salt and pepper. Now, I was going to do a whole teaspoon of salt and pepper, but I was like, I'm just going to do 1/2 teaspoon, so I think that's what that is. I need to get more measuring spoons so I can actually read it because the measurements are scratched off. And 2 cloves of garlic, which equals 2 teaspoons. I don't like to mince garlic myself. I just get the garlic in the jar already minced because I'm lazy. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And now I am mixing it all together. And it's really hard to do it with one hand because I'm holding the camera with the other hand. So I'm just going to speed it up to make it look like I'm really doing something. So next we're putting the chicken in a bowl. And I kind of put some chicken on the side in case this turns out to be a disaster. I can do a backup meal. And I took the stuff that we just made and mixed together, and I'm going to pour that into the bowl of chicken. Now we're going to toss everything around so it can be blended evenly. Oh, and I forgot to add the onions at first, so we're just gonna add that now. And we're going to speed up the video so nobody can tell that it wasn't in there before. Moving on. Next, we are going to get a sheet pan. I like to cover my sheet pan with aluminum foil because, I don't know, it's just something I like to do. You don't have to do that. Now we're going to take the chicken breast and the onions and we're going to spread them evenly on the sheet pan. Gonna put it in the oven for 15 minutes, and while that is baking, I'm going to clean because I am a clean as I go person, not a go and then clean. Now we get the Greek yogurt, the lemon juice, and the pita bread. That's for later though. We're going to take 1/2 cup of yogurt, put it in a bowl. Next, the lemon juice. We're also going to put that in a 1/2 cup, mix it together. Pour a generous amount of pepper in the bowl as well and mix it together. And now we're going to check on the chicken breast.
Okay, so I have no idea if it's supposed to look like this when it comes out the oven, but this is how it looks. I'll bring it to the light. Yeah, we don't know. But, you know, sometimes presentation isn't always the best thing. It just matters how it tastes, so.
The recipe said to put the pita bread in the microwave for a few seconds, but I put it in the oven because I don't know why I did that. Now we're getting the Greek yogurt and we're spreading it on the pita. I am attempting to chop up the chicken in bits with one hand, but it's not working. I had to put the phone down. Now I'm adding the spinach and the meat and the onions. I attempted to fold the pita bread in half and it is falling apart, as you can see. Maybe I should have just went with the recipe because it says put it in the microwave with a damp paper towel, and I thought that was, I don't know, I should have done that because it was falling apart. Anyways, it tasted delicious. I probably would not add the Greek yogurt and lemon mixture next time, but if you guys try it, let me know what you think. See you next time. Bye.